Hello friends, welcome back to our another Fact on Learning series video. So today I'm going to show you how to set up or how to manage your prefix. So currently you are seeing this setting page, right? Here you can see a manage prefix option, and from here you get this menu, right? Sales invoice, sales credit note, sales ticket, estimate purchase order. So you can change your prefix via here. So let me show you one example for creating sales invoice prefix. Okay, so after clicking this sales invoice, you get here option add sales new invoice prefix. So click on it. Then simply you can see here type and prefix. So type we already selected invoice, so it was not clickable. So here you have to enter your prefix number or prefix code. Okay, let me show you. Just create it. So you can see this pop-up message will be appear like your prefix is added in your database, and you can see here your new prefix, right? And from here you can export your data. If you want to export your data, then simply click on it, and here you get action option for delete, activate, deactivate option. So whatever you want you can choose, and if you want to set this prefix by default, then simply click on it. Then it will be selected as by default. So this same step you have to follow in other prefix menu also. So whether you are creating sales credit note, sales ticket, estimate purchase, or sales invoice, the steps are same. Let me show you. Go through this credit note. Here you get these two options, right? So click on it. See here type already selected. You have to choose only here number, prefix number. So just select your number and click on create option. That's it. So that's it about how to set up or how to create your prefix. Whether it was sales invoice, credit note, or sales ticket, estimate purchase order, anything. And let me show you where you get this prefix in your database. So suppose sales invoice, go here and click on create invoice. Now you can see in this document number your by default selected this prefix automatically comes here, right? Only if you want to edit or modify your document number, simply you can modify via here. And you can see here we have another prefix option also. Whatever you created in before, you see here, and from here also you can add a new prefix. Okay, you don't have you don't have to go again in setting option and create. If you want to create here a quick action, so you can simply click on it and you can create via here also. Okay, that's it. Same for others. Let me show you. In credit option, see here we have a prefix option. Whatever prefix you want to create, you can simply click on it and create. And if you want to set your prefix by default, simply you can go in setting option and create a by default. Let me show you with sales ticket also. See here, the steps for creating any kind of prefix will be same. Only you have to enter your prefix number or code, and according to your need, you can set as default or delete or activate, deactivate. Okay, so that's it about how to set up or how to manage your prefix via sales ticket, sales invoice, sales credit note, estimate, or purchase order, and from where you get these prefix options also. Okay, so thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like it, and if you have any queries related to our any videos, please do comment. And thank you for watching. See you guys in our next video. Bye.